Okay, hello class. Today I'm going to be going over 2.3. So let's go. The characteristics of each element depend on the number of its atoms. The number of protons in an atom is that atom's atomic number. Looking at this definition, we know that atomic number is the number of protons within the nucleus of an individual atom. So looking at this beryllium atom, this atomic number is 4, so we can tell that there are 4 protons in this nucleus. Looking at lithium, there's an atomic number 3, so we can look at this and we can already know that there are 3 protons in the atom's nucleus. There we go. The number of neutrons plus the number of protons in an atom is that atomic's. Oh, let me restart. The number of neutrons plus the number of protons in an atom is that atom's mass number. Mass number is the number of protons plus the number of neutrons within the nucleus of an atom. So looking at this, it's 10 plus 10 equals 20. Protons plus neutrons equals mass number. 10 neutrons and 10 protons. 10 plus 11 equals 21. Protons plus neutrons equals mass number. 11 neutrons, 10 protons. And 10 plus 12 equals 22. Protons plus neutrons equals mass number. 12 neutrons, 10 protons. The atomic number and mass of an atom tell us about the organization of its nucleus. So looking at this, the atomic number of lithium is 3. The symbol is Li. The name is lithium. The average atomic mass is 6.941. You can determine the mass number and the atomic number of an atom. The atomic number for silicon is 14, the symbol is Si, the name is silicon, and the average atomic mass is 28.086. You can always find out an atom's atomic number by using the periodic table. Looking at neon, we know that the atomic number is 10, the symbol is Ne, that name is neon, and the average atomic mass would be 20.179. An equally neutral atom has an equal number of protons and electrons. So looking at neon, we can see that there are 10 protons, which means there are 10 electrons. It is possible to determine the number of electrons in any electrically neutral atom. Okay, so looking at this, we have 11 protons, 12 neutrons. How many electrons do we have? Well, just remember that in an electrically neutral sodium atom, that electrons always equal the number of protons. So in that case, there are 11 electrons. 10 protons. How many neutrons? 10 electrons. Now we know that the mass number is protons plus neutrons. So with that being said, there are 20 neutrons. How many protons? Well, simply looking at the atomic number, we see that it's 13. Also looking at the electron number, we know that that's 13. So protons has to be 13. Now, protons and electrons. Looking at the atomic number, we see that the atomic number is 19, where the protons equals 19 and the electrons equals 19. Now, looking at neutrons and electrons, the protons equals 18, so does the atomic number, so we know that electrons equals 18. Now, the mass number is 40 minus 18. So we can see all you have to do is subtract 18 from 40, and that gives you 22. So the mass number, neutron number would be 22. now we have to find the number of protons, neutrons, and electrons. Looking at the atomic number, we see that there are 15. That is the atomic number, 15. That means 15 protons, 15 electrons, and that also means 16 neutrons. The atomic number is equal to the number of protons, so that is 1. And the mass number is 1 because 1 plus 0 is 1. Whoops, forgot to check that. 1, 0. Or 1. Both 1. There we go. The number of neutrons. Well, we can do electrons first. That would be 9. So would the atomic number. And neutrons would be 10. Not 19. 10. Because 10 plus 9 equals 19. And the final one, electrons, would be 4. Along with the atomic number. And the mass number would be 9. Because 4 plus 5 equals 9. It is possible to wait, I already read that. Okay, so the atomic number is what makes an atom of lithium different from an atom of beryllium. At the beginning of this lesson, we asked what makes lithium atoms different from beryllium atoms. It is the atomic number, or the number of protons, that makes them different. Lithium has an atomic number of 3 with 3 protons in the nucleus. The mass number of an atom is the number of protons plus the number of neutrons. A lithium atom has a mass number of 7. A lithium atom with a mass number of 7 will have 3 protons and 4 neutrons. Beryllium has an atomic number of 4. It has 4 protons. A beryllium atom with a mass of 9 will have 4 protons and 5 neutrons. Looking at this mastery map, we see the atom characteristics, atomic number, number of protons. Going back up, we see atom characteristics, mass number is the sum of number of protons and number of neutrons. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. Good luck!